There was nothing to do about him. This is very important line. It is said by the soldier about the old man that nothing can be done about him. Nothing can be said to convince him to move from that place. Nothing can be said to change his mind, because he was continuously thinking of his animals. He was more worried about his animals than his own life. So this is the line said by the soldier. It was Easter Sunday, and the fascist is the name of the enemy's army which belongs to the enemy. This is the name of that army, were advancing toward the Ebro. Ebro is the name of a place, or name of the river on which that bridge was formed, which was crossed by the people. Near that bridge, near this river, that old man and soldier are there. It was a grey overcast day with low ceiling. That means the day was not clear. There were clouds in the sky. So there means the planes of the enemy. Their planes were not up. The planes of the enemy's air force were not in the sky. The enemy did not attack through their air force. That and the fact that cats know how to look after themselves was all the good luck that old man would ever have. So the meaning of up to this, that nothing can be done about the old man, because he was more worried about his animals, and till up to this his life was saved, because it was a overcast. The day was not clear. Enemy's air force did not attack there. So that is why the old man was lived. He did not die till that time. So the writer has said that cats here again symbolizes the people who are independent or who are smart to hide themselves, to save themselves. But the old man, it was all good luck to him that his life was saved. He did not die because the day was overcast and the enemy's planes were not in the sky. So this is the end of the short story. So first of all, this last paragraph is very important. These lines, that why enemy's planes were not in the sky. Easter Sunday, overcast day with low ceiling. Why it is said about the old man by the soldier? Because he was not changing his mind. He was more worried about his animals than his own life, and his life was only saved because planes were not in the sky. And about this short story, first of all, the title Old Man at the Bridge, it is a suitable title because the whole story moves around the soldier and the old man, and both are near the bridge. The whole story, the setting of the story is near the bridge. The job of the soldier, as I already mentioned, that he had to see that area, to watch that area, at up to which length the army has entered in that area. Why the old man was there, what his animals, why he was worried, why he was not moving, the appearance of the old man, his dusty clothes, spectacles, everything, and where the trucks were moving, what the other people were doing, why did the old man leave his town, and then his animals, cat, goats and pigeons, what did they symbolize? Pigeon symbolizes peace, harmony, and of course the people, free people who can move from one place to another place easily. Cat symbolizes the independence and the clever people who know how to care themselves at the time of the danger. And pigeon goat symbolizes the people who are innocent, who are ready to sacrifice, or who suffer during such dangerous time. And the theme of the short story is again the bad effect of the army. The bad effect of the war. The bad effect of the war on the people, how they have to move, they leave their places, their home, their business, everything behind. The bad effects of the war on the animals, on the birds, all these things are the theme of the short story. So if there is any problem, you can mark it, message me, and we will discuss it later. Thank you.